Hello, dear students, how are you? How was going? Okay, everyone. Today we have a new topic. All of you bring your book. Front of you open page number 126. Okay, dear students. Today we have a new topic. How earthquakes are measured. It means how we can measure the scale of the earthquakes. How we can know that's strong or not, and how we can know the number of the earthquake shaking. So everything, as you know, we have the measure to measure these things. As you know, for the length, what we have meters and etc. But what we have to measuring the earthquake. As you know, previously as we talk about how earthquakes occur, why the earthquakes happens, what is the fault in the layers of earths. And for today we have a new topic. We talk about how earthquakes are measured. All of you look at this page. Bring your book and notebook and pencil. Okay, dear students, how earthquakes are measured. You saw in the investigation how the waters rippled as the sail stick not was pulled from under the cap. The ripples of the waves travels through the water. In the same way, the energy, look at here, the energy, this is important, okay, underline this one. The energy from an earthquakes travels as waves through the earth. Okay, dear students, the energy, look at this picture. The energy inside of the earth are travels the energy from the earthquake travels as waves through the earth. Okay, dear student. The energy from earthquake travels as waves through the earth. Scientists can measure this energy in different ways. Okay, the scientific came to measuring energy from in different ways of the earthquake. One of the instrument we have what? Seismograph. We have this measurement, okay? We have seismograph as instrument that records earthquake waves, okay? This is important. The instrument that record what? Earthquake waves, okay? أو أميرة چیە؟ seismograph ئامێرێکە شەپۆلەکانی بوومەلەرزە دەپێوێت. Okay, dear students, ئامێرەکە شەپۆلەکانی بوومەلەرزە دەپێوێت. A seismograph is an instrument that records earthquake waves. While I asked you the seismograph used for what? Used for records earthquake waves. Okay, dear students, underline this one. This is important. The seismograph. Seismograph has two main parts. The seismograph have two main parts. A pen and a paper records rotating drum. As the drum turns, the pen marks a line. Now I will show you the video how the seismographs work. Okay, how they are measuring the waves of the earthquakes waves. As the drum turns. The pen marks a line. Okay, the pen marks this line. Look at here. They marked this line to measuring the waves of earthquake. When earthquakes happens, the line gets a jagged. The more jagged the line, the stronger than the earthquake is. If the earthquake is more stronger, the line is more. Okay, the line is more just like this. Okay, dear students, if اگر بوومەلەرزەکە بەهێز بێت زیاتری دەپێوێت ئەنی خەتەکەی درێژتر دەبێ ئاوها ئۆکەی کە زۆر بەهێز بێت شەیکینگەکەی. Then there is no earthquakes. Okay, dear students, if the pen does not mark any jaggeds, then there is no earthquake. If the pen doesn't written anything, if there is no, just like this, it means there is no earthquakes. Okay, dear students, scientists also use a number of the measuring earthquake. The Richter scale is measuring the energy an earthquake release. The scale uses number 1 through 9 at earthquake measuring 2 on the scale cause hanging objects to swing back and forth, while an earthquake measuring 7 on this scale cause brick buildings to crumble. Scientists also use the Mercalli scales to the measuring the movement and damage that the earthquake causes. This scales use the Roman numbers from 1, written by the Roman numbers 1 to I think is 7 or 9. So, dear students, we have this one, Richter scales 4, okay, and Richter scale 6, this one, and Richter scale 7. It means this is very dangerous. Do you see? They destroy the houses and everything. Now look at this video to understand how the seismographs work.
How a seismograph works. A seismograph is an instrument used to measure the movement of earthquakes. A weight is suspended in a way that allows it to remain still when the ground moves.
ئەو ئامێرەی کە پێوانەی بوومەلەرزە دەکات سیر بکەن لێرە ئەو پێوانە وەرەقە هەیە لەگەڵ ئەم قەڵەمە کاتێک شەیکینگ دەبێت چەند بە قووەت بێت چەند شەیکینگ بکات زیاتر دەنووسێت کەواتە بوومەلەرزەکە زۆر بەهێزە بەڵام گەڵ خەتێکی ڕاست بێت یعنی بوومەلەرزە نییە یان ئەگەر هیچ شتێک نەنووسێت کەواتە هیچ بوومەلەرزەیەک ڕووی نەداوە.
Most modern instruments use an electromagnetic mechanism for this. A writing instrument is attached to the weight, allowing it to record the movement as it happens.
Do you see how they are record of the moving and earthquake shaking? If it is too much strong, ئەگەر زۆر بەهێز بێت سیر بکەن چۆن دەیپێوێت سیر بکە چۆن دەیپێوێت.
The word graph refers to the writing action.
But there is no shaking, it means the earthquake is too much slow.
Most modern earthquake monitoring uses seismometers, not seismographs, and record the movement of the earth digitally, or output the data to a seismogram, a printed version of the wavelengths on a large drum.
Just lying of the hair disease, do you see? And in this laptop they record of the waves of the earthquake scale.
These wavelengths that
do you see how they measuring of the earthquake shaking?
Represent Earth's movements are so small that in order for scientists to study them, they have to be amplified.
Okay, dear students, Do you understand how the measuring of the earthquake? So, and as I told you, we have look at this question. What are the two scales that the scientists use of the measuring earthquake? The one is Richter scales of the measuring the energy from the earthquake release, this one, and the second one, the miracle scale of the measuring of the movement and damage that is earthquake cause. We have two scales of the measuring earthquakes. How volcanoes form? You should know why the volcanoes happen or occur previously as we talked about, and how they are formed. How they are formed the volcanoes. يعني شون pegged لشي pegged وبوشي رددت. You learned earlier that the volcanoes is the mountain that form the when red hot melted rock flow through the crack onto the earth's surface. This is the volcano. It means happens is very hot melted يعني شليكي گرمة شليكي سوري گرمة كا دێتە دەرەوە بۆ سەر ڕووی زەوی. Okay, dear students, بۆ سەر ڕووی زەوی. Melted rock inside earth is called magma. As you know, inside of the earth, what we have the melted rock inside earth is called magma. شلەیەکی بەردینمان هەیە لە ناو کڕۆکی زەویدا پێی دەوترێ ماگما. شلەیەکی بەردینی گەرممان هەیە پێی دەوترێ ماگما. ئەوە لە ناو کوێدا لە ناو زەویدا پێی دەوترێ ماگما. Underline this one. The magma rock inside earth is called what? Magma. Melted rock that reaches earth's surface is called lava. Reaches earth's surface is called lava. کاتێک ئەو ماگما لە سەر ڕووی زەوی دێتە دەرەوە پێی دەوترێ چیت؟ ناوەکەی دەگۆڕێ بۆ لاڤا. کاتێک هاتە سەر ڕووی زەوی ناوەکەی دەگۆڕێ بۆ لاڤا. لە ناو زەویدا شلەیەکی بەردینی گەرممان هەیە پێی دەوترێ ماگما. کاتێک هاتە سەر ڕووی زەوی پێی دەوترێ لاڤا. You should know both of them is important, okay? Both of them are very important to know for multiple choice or blanket or any question, okay, dear students? And then some volcanoes form in the ocean where the plates are moving away from each other. As you know, also the volcanoes have happened under the ocean, okay? As the plates move apart, magma slowly rises toward of the surface from the deep of the mantle. When the magma gets to the surface, it is cool and hardness to form a new ocean floors. This is not important, okay, dear students, but you should know the magma and lava and underline these two lines. And then other volcanoes form where the plates are moving toward each other. As you know, why the volcanoes happen? Because the plates, look at here, the plates are moving toward each other. When plate made an ocean crust cold with or heats, one made of the continental crust, the plate made of the ocean crust forced down into the mantle. There is a partly melts, forming magma. The magma flows onto the surface through the rocky opening called vent. ئەو شوێنەی کە ماگمایەکەی لێتە دەرەوە پێی دەوترێت چی؟ پێی دەوترێت vent. Okay, dear students, پێی دەوترێت vent. To form volcanic mountains, okay? بۆ ئەوەی چیای volcani دروست بکات بەرز دەبێتەوە. Volcanic mountains forcing the Pacific Ocean formed by this way. Some volcanoes form when a plate moves over the hot spot of the metal, and then fountains of the rock punch through the crust from the volcanoes. The volcanic islands of the Huawei's form this way. What are, look at this question, what are three ways of the volcanoes form? One of them magma, lava, and vent. Magma, lava, vent. This is the three ways of volcanoes form. Okay? چۆن ڤۆلکان دروست دەبێت و چۆن شێوەکەی پێک دێت یەکەم جار ماگمایە لە ناو زەویدا دواتر دێتە سەر ڕووی زەوی پێی دەوترێت چیت پێی دەوترێت لاڤا ئەو شلە گەرمە بەردینە پێی دەوترێت لاڤا ئەو شوێنەی کە ماگما و لاڤای لێ دێتە دەرەوە چییە پێی دەوترێت vent ئەو کونە پێی دەوترێت vent also this is important okay dear students پێی دەوترێت vent look at this video you will understand more why it's too small look dear students look at this picture inside of the earth this liquid is called magma okay this liquid is called magma and then while the magma come out of the surface of earth is called what called lava this red liquid called lava okay but this hole is called vent okay ئەو کونە چی پێ دەوترێت کە ماگما و لافای لێ دێتە دەرەوە پێی دەوترێت وات پێی دەوترێت vent okay dear students بەم جۆرە بورکان ڕوودەدا سیر کە ئەمە چی پێ دەوترێت لە سەر ڕووی زەوی پێی دەوترێت چی پێی دەوترێت لاڤا بەڵام لە ناو زەویدا چی پێ دەوترێت ماگما ئەوش لە سوورە گەرمە بەردینیە چی پێ دەوترێت لاڤا لەسەر ڕووی زەوی لاڤا okay dear students بەڵام ئەمە لە ناو کوڕۆکی زەویدا ئەم شلە بەردینە سوورە پێی دەوترێت ماگما ئەو شوێنەی کە ماگما و لافای لێ دێتە دەرەوە چی پێ دەوترێت پێی دەوترێت vent okay dear students this place is called vent this place is called what this place is called vent okay so however and what are three ways of the volcanoes form as I told you magma lava and vent okay look at this picture okay dear students that red that one inside of the earth is called magma okay this is magma and while they come off the surface of earth is called what lava okay dear students and what is called this place is called what vent this is what vent okay dear students is called what vent this is called vent while they come over the surface of earth volcanoes destroy and benefit as you know the volcanoes is very dangerous and vulnerable of the people and they killed many peoples and destroy many houses everything you know that information and also they have a benefit yani volcan سود و قازانجیەیە دەزانن کە ڤۆڵکانۆ چەندین شتێک دەشکێنێت، چەندان خەڵکی کوشتووە، چەندان ماڵی ڕوخاندووە، چەندان شاری وێران کردووە. ئۆکەی دیە ستودنتس، هەروەها سوودیشی هەیە. ئێستا پێتان دڵێن سوودەکان و زیانەکانی ڤۆڵکان چییە. ئۆکەی دیە ستودنتس، look at this page. Okay, the lava and the gases that erupt from the volcanoes are very hot and often destroy everything in their path. They destroy everything path. لە دوای خۆی زۆربەی شتەکان تێک دەشکێنێ و لە ناویان دەبات. When Mount St. Helens in the Washington state erupted in 1800s, the blast blew down trees as far as 25 kilometers from the volcano. At least 60 people died because of this volcanic explain. 60 people died. 6 نەفەر مردن بەهۆی ئەو ڤۆڵکانەوە کە لە ساڵی 1980 ڕوویداوە. لە ساڵی 1983 کۆلۆ ئۆناوی ڤۆڵکانەکەیە کۆلۆ ڤۆڵکانۆ in ئیندۆنیزیا لە وڵاتی ئیندۆنیزیا erupted. Scientists there are warned people of this possible dangers. All of the 70,000 people who live their area left their homes. زاناکان دەیانزانی کە ئەم بورکانە ڕوودەدات، هەموو خەڵکەکان ئاگادار کردەوە کە ماڵەکانیان جێبێڵن. 7,000 people ماڵەکانی خۆیان جێهێشت و بێماڵ بوون. Okay, dear students, although the volcanic eruptions of the often harmful, they can have a good effect on the land around them. Okay, سوودیشی هەیە. سەیری بزانین سوودەکانی ڤۆڵکان چییە. The soil around the active volcanoes is considered to be one of the best type of the soil. هەروەها سوودێکی تری هەیە، ئەو خاکەی لە دەوروبەری ئەو ڤۆڵکانەیە دەبێتە باشترین جۆری خاک. بۆچی؟ بۆ زەراعەت، بۆ کشتوکاڵکردن زۆر بەپیت دەبێت. because لەبەرەوەی هەموو مادەکانی دەچێتە ناو ئەو مادانی کە لەناو خاک دێنە دەرەوە، هەموو بەسەر ڕووی ئەو زەویەدا بڵاو دەبێتەوە و سوودی زۆری هەیە. as it often has many minerals، لەبەرەوەی مادەی زۆر خۆراکی تێدایە. The minerals are carried on the soil by the rainwater that flows over 100 lava. The minerals helps the plants grow and yield good crops. هەروەها یارمەتی ڕووەکەکان دەدات بۆ ئەوەی باشترین شێوە گەشە بکەن و بەرهەمی باشیان هەبێت. ئەوە سوود و قازانجی چی بوو؟ What are some harmful effects and benefits of the volcanoes? As I told you, the harmfuls, I told you 6 people، ئەنی زۆربەی خەڵک دەکوژێت، هەروەها درەختەکان لەناو دەبات و هەروەها چەندین کەس بێماڵ دەبن. homeless, it means they don't have any house and destroy the cities, everything, children, man, women, cats, animals is very harmful. This is harmful. And the benefit is what? The benefit is the soils around the active, look at here, this is the answer. Soil around all the active volcanoes are considered to be one of the best type of the soil agriculture, as the often has many minerals. لەبەرەوەی مادەی خۆراکی زۆر تێدایە. Okay, dear students, do you understand? And do you have any question? Ask me. Okay, dear students, let us see, do you have any video for this one? Look, this is the harmful. They killed people and died because of the volcanoes. Do you see? It's very dangerous. Look, this is very sad. Do you see? Many peoples, they go away because of the volcanoes. Do you see? All peoples go to very far of the volcanoes because of the very dangerous and destroy everything. This is happens in the Huawei and USA. Okay, dear students, this is the benefit and the harmful of the what of the volcanoes. If you have any question, but dear students, write down this question in your notebook and write down the answer, okay? And memorize that answer. And also tell me what are the three ways of the volcanoes forum. هروها والله مي أوبي سيارج بتوا چون volcan pek det se hangawakam pe bڵێم. Okay, dear students, if you have any question, I am here to answer you